Yeah, my name's Austin Metz. I work for OPS Sales Company in Dewey, Oklahoma, and I work in management. We're from a pretty small town community, so we have a small population pool to pull from. We employ about 130 people out there, and so yeah, the production will still maintain a strong manual presence, but looking to introduce automation to the equation. A lot of the difficulties is just getting enough people. If we wanted to grow, we knew we needed to advance in automation. We do a lot on farm and agricultural products. So we have 2 pipe mills, manufacture all of our own tubing. But I think the biggest goal for us in automation was to double our annual production of our farm gates, and in the future do even more than that. The main pain points I would say is just getting enough people to build our products. Again, we have 40 to 45 employees that are building our products, and they do a wonderful job. They'll continue to build products, but I think the speed and accuracy of automation is just very appealing to, and just taking out the injury component as well. These are heavy farm gates, they're durable, they're stout. So taking some of the handling out of the equation is going to be good for our guys as well. So I happened to see a company video that had posted a machine that AWL had built, and it was very impressive. It was a fully automated machine, and it just started my imagination of what our shop could look like implementing some of those technologies. So just kind of started the dreaming process, and as we got deeper into it, it was just growth was a huge factor into pursuing this. Yeah, I think there was definite moments when, there were some challenges of implementing it. Being a smaller business, we had never gone into automation before. So I think there were moments where we thought, oh, this is going to be too much or too difficult. I don't know if our parts are good enough for these technologies. But then AWL was just very reaffirming that they would help us along the way. And so they helped us come up with solutions to get our material ready for the automation process. And so I think during that process, we realized, okay, this is going to work for us. I think AWL has been very supportive through this process. As I mentioned, this is our first step into the automation process. So they helped us find technologies that would even lead up to our machine, helped us improve on our sawing capabilities, help us locate other technologies that could make us more efficient in this process. They were very supportive. I feel like there's been an open line of communication and dialogue all along the way to make it a pretty seamless process. I just think this is going to lead to us doubling or tripling our production. It's going to allow us to just step into the future and really allow our salespeople to, for the first time, have stock to sell from rather than constantly being behind the 8 ball and always looking for new business. So I would just say just trust your people. Trust your people to give you feedback, tell you what's working, what's not working, and then also just don't second guess yourself. AWL is a company that can assist you if you're not quite there yet and you want to dream about what automation could look like. They'll walk you step by step through the process and help you achieve your goals. Yeah, I think for us, this is step 1 in the process of automation. We're excited to expand other product lines. I think we could see getting more into the material handling side of things and not just production. So I think this can be step 1 of many more machines that we buy.